Gold price today, September 26, 2024 at historical peak, gold ring towards 85 million Vietnamese dongs. Gold prices today, September 26, 2024, in the world are still at historical peaks and may increase further due to unending tensions in the Middle East. SJC gold bars and plain gold rings can go up to 85 million Vietnamese dongs per tael in the coming days. Today's gold price movements show that domestic gold rings this morning, some brands continue to adjust upward, some brands maintain the same level as yesterday's closing level. Early this morning, Saigon Jewelry Company SJC raised the price of gold rings of types 1 to 5 to only 81-82.5 million Vietnamese dongs per tael for buying and selling, an increase of 200,000 Vietnamese dongs per tael for both buying and selling, compared to yesterday's closing level. Meanwhile, Doji Jewelry Group maintained yesterday's closing level, listing the price of 9,999 plain round gold ring at 81.95 to 82.95 million Vietnamese dongs per tael, buy, sell. Opening the trading session on September 26, SJC's 9,999 gold price remained unchanged compared to yesterday's trading session, at 83.5 million Vietnamese dongs per tael sold. The 9,999 gold price was updated by Saigon SJC Jewelry Company Limited at 8:31 a.m. and the 9,999 gold price was listed by Doji Jewelry Group at 8:40 a.m. as follows. The central exchange rate on September 26, 2024 announced by the State Bank is 24,105 Vietnamese dongs per USD, down 29 Vietnamese dongs compared to the previous trading session. The USD price at commercial banks this morning, September 26, was commonly listed at 24,390 Vietnamese dongs per USD for buying and 24,760 Vietnamese dongs per USD for selling. At 8:27 a.m. today, September 26, Vietnam time, the world spot gold price was at 2,657 United States dollars and 60 cents per ounce, down 7 United States dollars and 40 cents per ounce compared to last night. Gold futures price for December 2024 on the COMEX New York floor is at 2,681 United States dollars and 90 cents per ounce. On the morning of September 26, world gold converted to bank USD price was nearly 80.1 million Vietnamese dongs per tael, including taxes and fees, about 3.4 million Vietnamese dongs per tael lower than the domestic gold price. At the end of the trading session on September 25, the domestic SJC 9,999 gold bar price was listed by SJC and Doji Jewelry Group in Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City at 81.5 to 83.5 million Vietnamese dongs per buying, selling amount. Unchanged compared to the previous session even though world gold prices increased sharply. Domestic gold ring prices on September 25 continued to set new historical peaks, sometimes reaching 82 million Vietnamese dongs per tael, buy, and 83 million Vietnamese dongs per tael, sell. Saigon Jewelry Company Limited SJC lists the price of gold rings of types 1 to 5 at only 80.8 to 82.3 million Vietnamese dongs per buying, selling amount. Doji listed the price of 9,999 plain round gold ring at 81.95 to 82.95 million Vietnamese dongs per buy-sell amount. Thus, over the past week, the price of gold rings has increased by about 4 million Vietnamese dongs per tael, equivalent to an increase of about 500,000 Vietnamese dongs per day. At this rate, gold rings may soon reach 85 million Vietnamese dongs per tael. At 8 p.m. on September 25, Vietnam time, today's spot gold price on the world market is at 2,665 United States dollars per ounce. Gold delivered in December 2024 on COMEX New York floor at 2,687 United States dollars per ounce. The world gold price on the night of September 25 was about 29.2% higher at 602 United States dollars per ounce compared to the beginning of 2024. World gold price converted by bank USD price is at 80.3 million Vietnamese dongs per tael, including taxes and fee, about 3.2 million Vietnamese dongs per tael lower than the domestic gold price as of late afternoon on September 25. World gold increased in the context that countries simultaneously sought measures to support economic growth and tensions in the Middle East escalated with no end in sight. The USD continues to weaken. The DXY index, measuring the fluctuations of the USD against a basket of 6 major currencies, decreased to 100.3 points on the evening of September 25, Vietnam time, compared to 100.6 points on September 17, a level 101.8 points on September 12, 103 points in mid-August and 106.25 points at the end of April. The greenback's price decreased, thereby pushing up commodities traded in this currency, including gold. Not only the US and some European countries, the People's Bank of China PBOC has just announced a plan to loosen monetary policy. The activity of injecting money into the economy adds motivation to push gold up. Gold price forecast. The Swedish central bank, Riksbank, decided on September 25 to lower the key interest rate by 0.25 percentage points to 3.25% per year. It is expected that the Riksbank will cut interest rates more this year. Gold is also supported by technical analysis signals after continuously breaking new peaks and overcoming important resistance levels, including $2,600 per ounce and then $2,650 per ounce. Tensions in the Middle East are forecast to increase and may last longer. This is the driving force that can help gold prices set new highs. The Israel-Hezbollah military conflict has escalated recently, with Israeli airstrikes on Lebanon this week considered the heaviest since 2006. Hezbollah has retaliated with missile attacks on Israel. Reports said that Hezbollah fired a rocket deep into Israel, demonstrating the force's missile power. Tensions in the region are causing money to pour into gold and silver. Some forecasts that gold will reach $2,700–$2,750 per ounce by the end of 2024 and will reach $3,000 per ounce in the first half of 2025. Thank you for watching Kwok Bin News TV channel. Please follow, like and subscribe to the channel to receive the latest information.